Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of sjdg. I already forgot the end of the numbers. 345. 2018 Ram 1500 Eco Diesel, 58,000 mile truck. Cold start. Just want to show you guys. She is nice and cold. Whatever. You're gonna have to trust me, bro. Just threw a jump box on it. We started it yesterday, but wanted to show you guys a cold start of one of the lowest mileage Eco Diesels we've ever seen. Go ahead and let those glow plugs warm up there for a hot second. 58,450 miles. Fires right up. What an absolute beauty. Blue Streak Blue. Like I said, 58,000 mile, two-wheel drive truck out of Florida. Very clean. We love Eco Diesels. This motor will not last long. If you guys are looking for a super low mileage Eco Diesel, here you go. Nice and quiet. We already sold the interior out of this truck, so not a whole lot to show there. When you got low mileage parts, people want them. We have a standing order for these seats. Ooh, it looks like it might have been a rental at one point in its life. Weird. Bed has stings and dents on it, but very usable southern bed. Screen's got some delamination like they all do, so we're just gonna have to send that bad boy out for a core. I don't know why. Let me know in the comments down below. All the 2018 radios do this. 58,540 miles though. Working good. Hold on, let's go ahead and pull this mirror in. All right, let's see if I can remember how to reset these. Well, that mirror's not happy. It might have something to do with being absolutely destroyed. That Eco Diesel though, there she goes. Power slider rear window. Works great. Go ahead and put the windows up. No brakes. Oh, you're just gonna have to trust me on the backup camera. Man, I don't know. Got a whole lot to say. Everything in here is sold. I don't need to test it. So don't even know why I'm doing this. Sunroof. She works. Truck also thinks it's -40 outside. Temp sensor's located in the driver's mirror, or was. So, yeah. Cool. Oh yeah, that heated wheel was definitely working. Alright guys, that is going to conclude the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of our 58,000 mile 2018 Ram Eco Diesel. If you guys are looking for any of the parts you may have seen here, head on over to our website. There'll be a link in the description down below. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching.